Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best Halloween haunted house kits DIY decoration setup available online. The 24 packs Halloween stickers craft kits by Sereliy. Whether you're throwing a Halloween party, hosting a classroom activity, or just looking for a fun way to spend time with your kids, this kit packs creativity, convenience, and creepy charm into one delightful bundle. Inside the kit, you'll find 24 Halloween haunted house cards, all designed in 6 unique and spooky styles. These cards act as the perfect canvas for little imaginations to run wild. Each card is accompanied by themed self-adhesive stickers, ghosts, spiders, skulls, bats, and more, and a bundle of rope to bring it all together. The DIY nature of the kit encourages kids to decorate their own haunted houses, turning simple paper into personalized spooky masterpieces. What sets this kit apart is the material quality. Each haunted house card and sticker is crafted from high-quality coated paper. The stickers stick well, the colors are vibrant, and the print is sharp, ensuring the final product looks both festive and professional. Unlike cheap party kits, this one doesn't rip easily or fade over time, so you can even save some of your child's creations as keepsakes. Design-wise, Sereliy has done a fantastic job blending classic Halloween imagery with bold, engaging layouts. Every sticker sheet features a fun variety of characters and spooky elements, letting kids mix and match to build their own haunted scene. Whether they want a haunted house with a skeleton party or one crawling with spiders, the possibilities are endless. Now let's talk about usability. This is where the Sereliy Halloween craft kit shines. It's incredibly easy to use. Kids as young as 2 can participate with minimal supervision, and older kids will enjoy getting more detailed and creative. The stickers peel off effortlessly and stick firmly in place, making this ideal for classrooms, Halloween-themed events, or just a weekend arts and crafts session at home. The educational benefits here are worth noting too. As kids arrange their haunted house scenes, they're developing fine motor skills, practicing hand-eye coordination, and nurturing their sense of storytelling. And since there are 24 individual kits, this product works great for group settings. You won't need to worry about sharing or splitting supplies. It's also versatile. Aside from making haunted houses, the completed crafts can be used as Halloween decorations for walls, doors, or windows. Some parents even string them up with the included rope to create spooky garlands. So you're not just getting a craft kit, you're getting party decorations, classroom materials, and memory-making tools all in one box. In terms of packaging, everything is neatly organized and individually wrapped, so you don't need to sort out supplies before handing them to kids. Just open the box, hand each participant a kit, and watch the fun unfold. There's no glue, no scissors, and no mess, just peel, stick, and play. To wrap up, if you're looking to make this Halloween both creative and fun for the little ones, the Sereliy 24 packs Halloween stickers craft kits is a perfect choice. It combines ease of use, high-quality materials, and imaginative design into a product that's truly party-ready. That's why we're calling it the best Halloween haunted house kits DIY decoration setup. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest takes on trending products. Stay spooky and crafty this Halloween season.